Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you the keypad phone collection as of 2021. So, without further ado, let's begin.
First off is my Nokia 1662. It's not working because I think untested. Next up is my Nokia 105. Maybe kind of works. Next up is my Alcatel One Touch 1016D. Also maybe kind of works. Next up is my Nokia 150. It's a bigger phone. And also maybe kind of works, yeah, but works. Last but not least, Nokia 2720. Maybe kind of works. Is the flip phone.
That is my keypad phone collection as of 2021. So, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, click the bell icon, and the right comments below. So, thanks for watching this video. Bye and have a nice day.